Best crypto to buy today, 24 February. FGHT, IOTA, Metro, SNX, CCHG. Cryptocurrency markets have taken a knock, with total market capitalization down over $30 billion or 3.0% on Friday in wake of a hotter-than-expected US Core PCE inflation report that raises the risk the U.S. Federal Reserve lifts interest rates to higher levels for longer. MO-M and YOY price pressures both unexpectedly rose in January, according to the latest report, to 0.6% and 4.7% respectively. Bitcoin was last changing hands around $23,100, while Ethereum was last flirting with a break below the $1,600 level. The latest U.S. inflation data has resulted in markets upping their Fed tightening bets for this year, with money markets now pricing in nearly another 3.525 BPS moves over the course of the next 4 Fed meetings. If they are able to shrug off macro headwinds, blue-chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum could perform very well this year. But investors can often secure better gains by investing in altcoins, which, while more volatile, have more upside potential. Here is a list of a few altcoins that investors should consider adding to their portfolio, including a few altcoins that have been trending as of late and an assortment of tokens being sold in pre-sale by promising up-and-coming crypto startups. FGHT FGHT. FGHT is a brand new Web3 fitness application and gym chain that rewards its users for working out, completing challenges, and competing within a first-of-its-kind fitness metaverse. While existing MWOE applications, such as Step and only track steps, and require expensive non-fungible token NFT buy-ins to take part, FGHT takes a more holistic approach to tracking and rewarding its users for their exercise and activity and doesn't require any expensive buy-ins to take part. FGHT is currently conducting a pre-sale of the FGHT token that will power its Web3 ecosystem and has already raised a whopping more than $4.06 million. The token is scheduled to list across centralized exchanges in April at 33 cents per token. Investors should move quickly, as if they secure tokens now, they could be sat on paper gains of nearly 40% by the time the crypto token lists on exchanges at the start of Q2. Investors should be aware that, depending on how many tokens they buy and for how long they choose to vest them, they could get a whopping up to 67% bonus. Investors can also get an additional 5% bonus on all the tokens purchased by those who used a referral link. FGHT is also conducting a $250,000 giveaway. IOTA, the cryptocurrency that powers the Internet of Things-focused IOTA blockchain, continues to trend higher as traders get excited about a series of major upcoming upgrades to the network this year. IOTA/USD was last changing hands just above 25 cents per token, above all of its major moving averages and still in a strong uptrend for the year. So long as IOTA can hold above support in the 24 cents area, a continued march higher towards 30 cents seems likely. Metropoly Metro over 50% of minimum goal now raised. Metropoly has an ambitious goal to transform the real estate market by democratizing access to real estate investment. How? By building the world's first marketplace for real estate non-fungible tokens, NFTs. And these NFTs aren't for digital real estate in some metaverse. These tokens represent a real ownership stake in a real property that Metropoly will also be renting out so that owners can earn a passive income. Metropoly is currently conducting a pre-sale to fund its ongoing development and recently reached 54% of its minimum goal of raising $1 million. The startup has already released a beta version of its platform, which already looks great and is proving very popular. The barriers to traditional real estate investment around the world are huge. Metropoly hopes its platform can level the playing field, with investors able to start owning property with as little as $100. Pre-sale investors should note that stand a chance at winning a portion of Metropoly's massive, industry-leading $1 million giveaway. Visit Metropoly's pre-sale here. Synthetics Network SNX. SNX, the token that powers the decentralized asset insurance protocol Synthetics Network, has also been trending higher in recent weeks and, like IOTA, is also above all of its major moving averages. SNX/USD was last changing hands in the $2.60s, having recently rebounded strongly from its 50 and 200 DMAs in the upper $2.30s. A near-term retest of recent highs at $3 seems likely. C+Charge CCHG. C+Charge is building a revolutionary new blockchain-based peer-to-peer P2P payment system for EV charging stations that will allow the drivers of electric vehicles EVs to earn carbon credits for the first time. C+Charge aims to boost the role of carbon credits as a key incentive for the adoption of EVs. C+Charge wants to democratize the carbon credit market by allowing more of these rewards to find themselves in the hands of the EV owners rather than just the big businesses. C+Charge has just started its pre-sale of the CCHG token that its platform will use to pay at EV charging. stations. Tokens are currently selling for 17 cents each, though by the end of the pre-sale, this will have risen by 60%. Investors interested in getting in early on a promising environmentally friendly cryptocurrency project should move fast, with the project having already raised over $1.05 million and the pre-sale having already entered its second stage. Investors should also be aware that C+ Charge is conducting a generous $50,000 giveaway and recently also decided to implement a burning mechanism to ensure that the crypto token is deflationary. Visit C+ Charge here.